देखिए ऑपरेटर एक्टिविटी के ऊपर तो हमने बहुत सारी वीडियोस बनाई है।
वॉलेटिलिटी का मतलब ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे, विच इज व्हाट द स्टॉक मार्केट गोस थ्रू।
स्टॉक मार्केट में गोल्डन रूल हमेशा याद रखना, ग्रीड को आप कंट्रोल करें इससे पहले कि ग्रीड आपको कंट्रोल करे।
वंडरिंग व्हाई आई एम शॉपिंग सो मच, क्योंकि 25 दिन में पैसा जो डबल होने वाला है।
वीडियोस बनाई हैं और वहाँ पर हमने एक चीज़ स्पष्ट करी है कि ऑपरेटर हमेशा बुरा नहीं होता है, क्योंकि एट द एंड किसी भी स्टॉक को हिलाने के लिए एक बड़ा प्लेयर लगता है, एक बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूशन लगता है।
2008, the first major leg of quantitative easing took place. That is when the Keynesian economics came into the picture and government started printing money like
तो
crazy.
चलिए मूली के पराठे खाते हुए शुरू करते हैं आज का ये वीडियो।
If you had asked anyone 20 years in the past that is it possible to learn from the people who are masters in what they do, but from your home and that too for free, people would have called you insane. But today, we live in an era where everything that we do today would have been considered as a miracle in the past. Technology has made impossible things look like a piece of cake, and one part of it is virtual learning. Thanks to technology, we now can choose our teachers, learn from best mentors, and all of that without giving a single penny. And if this doesn't sound you like a miracle, I don't know what will. In this video, I am going to share 5 learnings that I got from the Finfluencers of India. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shirish here from Trading Explained, and without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start the video with the most important learning that I think I got from these people was, if learning is power, then unlearning and relearning is a superpower. Almost all of us have grown up learning few things which probably shouldn't have been taught to us in the first place. Like for example, we all have been taught that stock market is a gamble. Now the person who told us about this was the person who did not know about stock markets in the first place. But if you learn about the stock market and get an understanding of the subject, then it does not have to be a gamble. You can actually make significant money out of it. Similarly, we have been taught many things which shouldn't probably have been taught in the first place. And therefore, if learning is power, then unlearning the wrong things and relearning it or learning it the right way is probably a superpower. The next learning that I got from these people was, you are at an advantage if you start early, definitely. But that does not mean you are dead if you are watching all these videos in your 30s. It is said that every man has 2 lives and his second begins when he realizes he only has 1. So it's important for you to understand that it's alright to miss out on those early days. Yeah, definitely you could have got a lot of things done back then, golden days full of energy. True, but that does not mean you cannot do it now. If you keep thinking about the days that are gone, you're wasting your time thinking about the past and you're spoiling your present and your future. So that's not going to change anything. Rather than that, take steps, change now. You can do it now as well. The next learning I got to learn from these people was to adopt a minimalist approach to your life. Only spend on things that you really need and avoid spending on those which you feel you want or your desires. Because the desires are uncountable. Even if you spend $1 million on your desires, you probably will feel unfulfilled at the end. So it's important to save your money instead and invest in something that will compound your money. The next learning I got to know from these people was to create multiple sources of income, because in today's world it is extremely important for us to have more than one income source, because the lifestyle is going up, the standard of living is going up, inflation is going up, and if you want to lead a financially independent life, a stress-free one, then you probably need to have more than one income source. So that was another learning that I got to know from these people. And the last learning that I got to know from these people was probably the biggest one, and that is success is relative. Today, almost everyone is busy showcasing what they have. Expensive cars, fancy homes, new gadgets, you name it. And this has forced us to believe that wealth is equals to success. But trust me guys, this is not true. Not even by a %. Success, in my opinion, has more to do with mental peace, happiness, and getting what you want from life than it has to do with wealth. Someone who has $1 million might feel is unsuccessful because he could not make $1 billion out of it, while on the other hand, someone who is earning a very ordinary income but is mentally at peace, is happy, is keeping his family happy, and he is getting what he wants from life can be called successful. So success is very relative and it cannot be compared to how much wealth one person has. And this shift in the mindset that I have got has helped me a lot. Hopefully it will help you as well. So these were my 5 learnings from the Finfluencers of India. And if you like this video, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that help you grow financially and make you independent. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.